Hello guys, welcome back. There is some way for you can see the model in the better phase. How you can see, I will tell you. You can on the model, and then you can on the model, and then just make the model extrude, and then apply, and you can see that the model is being extruded, and the thing is going right. Just at the first, I tell you, because this is a very important thing for you to learn at the first. It is very, very important that you like the model after you analyze the model. Why? When you put the like out, the detail of your analysis, how much time you spent, is gone. So use this like always and don't touch it, because if you touch it, you make everything feel wrong and bad for you. And we can simply, by clicking back on this, see this model and the standard model. You also can change everything here: color printers, materials, white background, blank object, selected groups. You can do everything you want here for the better view. But for now, we go by standard, and here you can give what to say or not, but we don't them for now. This is the end of this lesson. In the next lesson, we are going to see the shear and moment diagram.